There are many different ways to cleanse and hydrate your skin. In addition to facial cleansers and moisturizers, you can use water vapor or, even better, citrus face steaming therapy. Citrus steam has an array of health and beauty advantages. Lemon fruit is used in cooking, baking, kitchen cleaning, hair care, and skin care. Lemon also contains vitamins such as thiamine, B1, riboflavin, B2, niacin, B3, pantothenic acid, B5, vitamin B6, folate, B9, choline, and vitamin C. Aside from these vitamins, it also contains calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, sodium, and copper. Amazing, right? Did you know that the essential oil derived from the peel of fresh lemons is often used for various therapeutic, aromatherapy, and face steaming sessions? Facial steaming reopens blocked skin pores, while the lemon acts as an active ingredient. So what are the benefits of a citrus steam? 1. It offers antioxidant protection. Lemon essential oils are rich in antioxidant properties, which help prevent skin tissue loss and lipid peroxidation by controlling free radical damage. It's also a natural detox. You can either use it topically or as an aromatherapy agent in face steaming therapies to get its amazing benefits. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. 2. It's a good antimicrobial agent. Lemon peel extract is an effective antimicrobial agent. It inhibits skin infections caused by harmful bacteria. It also helps reduce acne and blackheads. 3. It has astringent effects. Lemon juice possesses astringent properties that help shrink open skin pores. After a citrus steam session, you won't need any facial toners to contract the skin pores to avoid grime and dirt deposits. So, how about having a citrus face steaming therapy at home? Here are the supplies you'll need for this citrus steam. 1 cooking pot, 4 cups of water, 3 drops of lemon essential oil, the juice and peel of a half lemon, 1 large heat-proof mixing bowl, a towel. Here are the instructions for face steaming with lemon. 1. Add the juice and peel of a half lemon to a cooking pot along with 4 cups of water. Place the pot on the stove and let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. 2. Pour the solution into a large heat-proof mixing bowl and add 3 drops of lemon essential oil to it. 3. Clean your face and have a seat. Place your face close enough to the top of the bowl and cover your head using a towel. Maintain a gap to avoid burning your skin. 4. Steam your face for about 2 to 3 minutes, then cleanse your face with lukewarm water. 5. Use this citrus steam method at home once a week for best results. If you have dry, sensitive skin, use a moisturizer immediately after a citrus steam or any other facial steam therapy. Have you tried a citrus facial steam before? Share your experience with us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get my free ebook linked in the description box below to learn 10 essential steps to strengthen your immune system so you'll feel your best.